I love Palestine. Hey, I am Cristiano Ronaldo speaking. Can't you see what's happening? The people of Palestine are suffering beyond imagination. The Israeli forces are bombing them mercilessly. Gaza is turning into rubble. Children are crying. Parents are lying lifeless, and the world remains silent. The air in Gaza smells of blood and sorrow. I have always stood with the people of Palestine.
To be honest, there was a time when, during an interview, I set aside a Coca-Cola beverage and opted for regular water instead. As a result, some people appreciated my decision, while certain media outlets criticized it. Many asked why I made such a choice at that moment. I felt that water was better for my health, and through my action I wanted to send a message to everyone about drinking water. Moreover, Coca-Cola is an Israeli product, and to be honest, I do not support Israel, which is why I made that decision.